Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to TRHD. Today I'm back with a new video. This time I have a new budget Bluetooth speaker to review on my desk. This Bluetooth speaker can produce 3 watts of output, has wide connectivity options, a 600 mAh battery and costs less than 1000 rupees. Now that's really awesome. It's made by Sound One and the model is Rock Bluetooth speaker. You've got some features here. It has a rechargeable battery, is compatible with Android and iOS and supports Bluetooth 4.1. So these were some of its features. The box packing looks good, it's small and compact. Looks like you've got some info regarding the speaker at the back. This is pretty much the same which I've told you just now. The price on the box says 1890 rupees, but it's available for only 980 rupees on Flipkart. Alright guys, let's get started with the unboxing. Let me grab my knife and cut this tape over here. I want to thank Sound One for sending me this product for review. Okay, let's open it and check it out. So this is how the inside of the box packing looks like. Let me remove this top cover. So here is our Sound One Rock Bluetooth speaker. Oh, it's quite heavy for the size. Let me take it out of this cover. Wow, the speaker is completely made in metal and has a mirror-like finish on it. That is pretty cool. You've got the Sound One branding here. It definitely feels heavy in the hand, easily weighs about 360 grams. Let's put it aside and see what else do we have in the box. You get a user manual. Just make sure to read it for all the info on the product. There's also a 3.5mm to 3.5mm audio cable, a USB cable for charging the speaker, and a warranty card. So these are all the items you got in the box. Now let's check out the speaker. So this is how the Sound One Rock Bluetooth speaker looks like. It's got an all metal construction, feels solid in the hand, and I do like the mirror coat finish on it. You've got the Sound One branding. Let's turn around and see. At the back you've got some ports. Let me show them to you. There's a micro SD card slot, a micro USB port for charging, a 3.5mm aux port, a microphone, and an LED status indicator. So these are all of its ports. At the top you have a metal speaker grill. It has a 1.5-inch speaker that can produce an output of 3 watts and has a frequency response range of 40 Hz to 20 kHz. Let me flip the speaker and show you the bottom part. You have a circular rubber foot pad here and some info regarding the speaker. Below that we have 4 buttons. A power on off, volume up, music play pause and volume down buttons. So these were all the available buttons on it. That was our overview on the design and the build quality of the Sound One Rock speaker. Now let me power it on and see if it's got some juice in it. There you go, you can see a blue color LED light flashing. Let me bring my phone and pair with it. We're gonna play some music and see how the audio sounds like. The audio quality was really good for the price. I was quite impressed. The mids felt crisp and clear, the vocals were warm and mellow, the treble quality was also good. And coming to the bass was okay, but it was not that punchy. Also, the distortion was very less even at max volume, and the audio output was also satisfactory. For the price what you're paying, you'll definitely be satisfied with the results. The quality of the mic was also good during call conversations. Now talking about the battery life was decent. I was getting around 3 to 4 hours of music playtime at 75% volume level, and charging the speaker from 0 to 100 took about 2.5 hours. So that was my review on the Sound One Rock Bluetooth speaker. It's a good Bluetooth speaker for the price. The build quality is nice, the audio quality is good, and the battery life is also decent. I only felt the bass could have been more punchy. It was priced for about 980 rupees on Flipkart when I was making this video. I'll just leave a link to that in the description box below. You can get it from there. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.